As we all know, a construction project, whether small or large, is not a simple or easy process. Construction equipment is required here for bulky materials, to compress the land, and for much more heavy work. Choosing the right equipment would help construction companies make the process efficient, safe, and accessible. Welcome back to Shouting Canada's YouTube channel with another video. Today we are going to discuss different types of heavy construction equipment and their uses. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Excavators. Excavators are an important type of equipment that is frequently used in the construction sector. Their primary usage is excavation, but they are also used for a variety of other tasks, including heavy lifting, demolition, river dredging, earth moving, trenching, material handling, forestry work, snow removal with snowplow and snow blower attachments, loading and foundations, etc. The main different types of excavators are suction excavators, skid steers, long reach excavators, crawler excavators, wheeled excavators, hydraulic shovels, and dragline excavators. Backhoe. The backhoe is also an essential kind of heavy machinery that is useful for many tasks. A backhoe loader is a single piece of equipment that operates as both a tractor and a loader. A digging bucket is attached to the end of a two-part articulated arm, which is a type of excavation equipment or a digger. Usually, it is attached to the rear of a tractor or front loader, the latter of which is known as a backhoe loader. Backhoe loaders are most used for the purposes such as digging ditches, laying pipes, small demolitions, and moving materials. They can do much more with a few additional attachments. Types of backhoe are excavating or digger. Bulldozers. Bulldozers are very practical excavation tools that may be used for clearing the work area, leveling the ground, creating pilot paths through mountains and hard ground, excavating the material, and moving it around 100 meters. A sharp-edged wide metal plate that is attached to the front of the bulldozer performs the majority of the job. As a multi-purpose machine used to perform various operations such as removing trees, short-range transportation of material, shallow digging and ditching, land working the roads and rail line formations, spreading soil dumped from trucks, rough grading stumps, boulders, and cleaning and leveling around loading equipment. Different types of bulldozers are mini bulldozer, wheel bulldozer, crawler bulldozer, ship hold/port handling bulldozer, mulchers bulldozers, and hybrid bulldozer. Tower cranes. When constructing high-rise buildings, tower cranes are frequently utilized for lifting activities. Using this construction machinery, heavy items like steel trusses, precast concrete blocks, etc. can be effortlessly raised to the desired height. Tower cranes can reach a maximum height of 265 feet, 80 meters, or higher if they are fastened to the building as it rises around it. The lifting capacity of a typical tower crane is 20 tons. On construction sites, they are used for moving large objects, lifting huge building materials, and handling large loads. The different types of tower cranes are self-erecting tower cranes, hammerhead cranes, luffing tower cranes, mobile tower cranes, rolling tower cranes, and climbing tower crane trucks. Forklifts. The forklift equipment is used to move heavy materials or packages within a short distance as well as loading and unload them. It can move materials and things both horizontally and vertically. Like other common vehicles, forklifts also have steering wheels and dashboard controls. It supports both lifting equipment and a road user on job site. It is commonly used for the following purposes: unloading pallets of blocks/bricks, steel joists, warehouses, recycling facilities, construction equipment and materials, and more. Common types of forklifts are warehouse forklift, order picker, pallet jack, heavy-duty forklift, rough terrain forklift. Hopefully you enjoyed our video about different types of heavy construction equipment and their uses. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.